Good morning. This week's prompt is about a time where I learned something from a mistake. And in my younger years, I was put in a position of, I guess, authority over a group of individuals. And I was told that this student had to come to our program, and this is just what's going to happen from the director, who didn't have any hands-on experience or spend any time within the program. Um, and we did the assessment on the kid, and it was very evident that he was not going to be able to function within our program without um, being at the detriment of the other students as far as his destructive nature, and just he was could destroy a classroom in seconds. And rather than look at the picture as a whole and think like, okay, that's not going to work, but what could we do to problem solve? I think I kind of went immediately like deflective and like, no, we can't do this. Like, that's not going to happen. And I think the problem was that someone with authority was telling me, like, this is what you have to do. And I knew it wasn't going to be good for the program. So I think from that, what I learned is that in this role, we need to be more problem solvers, specifically working now at a public school where things just have to happen a certain way for legal reasons. And rather than just saying yes or no and dealing with things, that having more of a proactive approach of like, well, what's the best thing we could do if A is not going to work, and how can we work together to make sure that this child is taken care of, the family is taken care of, the school and the program and the other kids are taken care of, while also being sensitive to the fact that no isn't really an answer. And all of this is something that happened when I worked abroad, when you could tell kids no. So yeah, just being able to be more of a problem solver is definitely something I learned from that. Thank you.